Florida is a special place, not just because tourists like to come and it's a great place to live and work, but it's also a really good place for pathogens to survive. My lab serves as the plant hospital for all of Florida and the Southeast US. We back up other diagnostic labs all the way across the country as part of the National Plant Diagnostic Network. And what we do is figure out if there's a plant problem, what is it, and what can we do about it. Florida's agriculture sector is huge. Not only do we have a large green industry producing the pretty plants that you see in every garden center all across the country throughout the year, but especially in the spring, but we also produce a lot of the food. So when a disease comes in and affects something like citrus, for instance, then the impact can be huge, not just on the orange juice that we have, but also the jobs for Floridians who work here. Additionally, if we have a disease in an ecosystem or a natural area, then that park or that area, you can see that there is a problem going on and there is impact to the natural ecosystem as well.
The purpose of the research that I do here at the Plant Diagnostic Center is for the detection and validation of protocols pertaining to sugarcane mosaic virus. Accurate diagnosis is very important because this virus has the potentiality to wipe out a homeowner's entire lawn. And in order to accurately recommend management recommendations that will be important pertaining to homeowners, we have to accurately diagnose these samples to begin with.
My lab does a lot of work with taking the technology that's out there and seeing if we can tune it to working on the pathogens here in Florida. I collaborate with lots of my colleagues at the Emerging Pathogens Institute and here in the Department of Plant Pathology. We also try to find methods that can be deployed in field, which means a test that somebody could actually run on their own sample, their own plant. So folks like my grad students are the ones that are working on these samples and working on the detection technology to make sure that we can deploy it in the field. For me, that's the best part, is knowing that every sample I take care of or that my staff works on and diagnoses represents somebody's plant problem that we can help them with on the spot.